Hi everyone! Welcome to the sixth day of our vlog. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. Dalawang kamay na yung kailangan kong gamitin dahil pang-anim na araw na natin today. Nakaabot na tayo sa sixth day. And so, for this content, I'm gonna be sharing with you what's inside my bag. This is my going out bag. So this is the bag that I've used nung lumabas kami kahapon papunta sa city during the Australia Day. And excuse my overcooked skin because today we went to the beach and masyadong nag-enjoy sa arawan ang lola ninyo. Kaya ayan, para na tayong perfectly cooked lechon! Anyway, charot lang yun. Sinong lechon dito? Walang mataba dito. Anyway, going back, let's talk about my bag. So this bag is from the brand called the Daily Edited, or TDE in short. And I've got this one personalized with my initials on it. And wala pa akong ganitong color na bag, so that's why ito yung binili ni hubby for our anniversary this year. So this is an anniversary gift from my husband along with other blue stuff like Alizé blue and whatnot. Anyway, let's get on kung ano bang meron sa loob ng bag na to. So maliit lang yung bag na to, but it has decently a lot of contents in it. So, tara, simulan na natin. So, first one is my sanitary pad dahil second day ng lola ninyo ngayon. Next one we have is our Ray-Bans Aviator Sunnies. So, I've got the one in gold with black polarized lens. I don't know, it just gives me the vibe na chill lang. And super casual and formal. And I feel like this one suits my round face. And I love it kasi sa totoo lang, this sunglasses has been with me for, I don't know, since I moved here in Australia. 7, 8 years na. And still, guys, alive and kicking pa rin. And this is the one that I really used on a daily basis. Kahit pagpapasok sa work, magdadrive, maglalakad, this is what I use. This is my daily sunnies, kumbaga. And this one, I love this case. So, binili ko pa tong case na to separately from Ray-Ban. And, kasi, it suits the aesthetic, guys. Sino namang hindi bibili nito? And I love it. Kala ko nung una, magiging madumihin siya. Pero, hindi naman. It still looks the same as when I first got it. So, mura lang naman siya nung binili ko. So, that's that. Next one, we have mints. And we also have a small perfume here. So this is the Pure Grace Nude Rose by Philosophy. And this is like the droop of Celine. Bango. May fresh. I've got the mini version. So this one came in for free. Nung binili ko yung full size nito. Next naman, we have on the list, dahil mamshi tayo, at summer dito sa Australia, we got a ponytail. Dahil si Amara, feeling niya ata paminsan, rope itong buhok ko, dito siya aalatarza na dito siya sumasabit-sabit. Lalo na pagtatayo ba, girl, buhok yan rope. Next one is this L'Occitane hand cream. So, yung kamay ko is laging dry. So, I always have to have a hand moisturizer with me. And then we also have this one. So this is a Glasting Water Tint by Rome and Romand. Romand. I don't know. Nakita ko lang to nung isang araw sa W Cosmetics. So yung W Cosmetics, yun yung mga bilihan ng Korean stuffs dito sa Australia. And syempre, try ako dito ng maraming mga shades. And I feel like this red, it suits my skin tone. And also, gusto ko ng something na glossy kasi natural lang. Pero this one, hindi siya ganun ka-natural looking. Pero it still looks so good. And actually, this is buildable. So, I'll just put a very thin layer of it. And, diba, mukhang natural red. Para akong kumakain ng healthy food palagi. Na nagbibigay ng healthy glow sa lips. And, hindi dry. I don't know, for some reason. Pag nakakita ko ng mga tao, kaya mapalalaki pa yan or babae, tapos crack yung lips and sobrang dry, parang, ano ko yun? Parang, I don't know, I forgot the word, pero parang, ano ba yan? My gosh, di ba to uminom ng tubig? Ang unhealthy naman ito. Siguro madami itong kinakain sodium. Mga ganon. Mga ganon yung pumapasok sa isip ko. Parang, in short, parang unhealthy person ka kapag dry yung lips mo. So, guys, girls, laging mag-lip balm para hindi dry ang lips. And going back to what's in my bag, tigil na natin yung pangungutya. Meron din tayong AirPods with a personalized case again from the Daily Edited. And of course, my phone, which is what I'm using for shooting this video. And we got our car and house keys. So, kwento ko kung anong meron dito sa susian ko, no? So, meron ako nito. Dahil yung mga ibang shopping trolley dito, kailangan lagyan ng barya. Eh, sino ba namang laging may dalang barya sa bulsa nila or sa bag nila? So, very smart tong invention na to ng Aldi na parang kasing size siya ng $2 coin. And hindi ko na siya, lagi na akong may dala, okay? So, insert mo lang to doon. Pwede mo na makuha yung cart. And para makuha mo to pabalik, you just need to put the cart back to a certain station kung saan mo pwedeng iwanan yung cart. And may pangsundot doon, tapos makukuha mo na to pabalik. And I also got this, key organizer. I love it kasi yung susi ay number one cause ng mga nagpapagasgas ng mga gamit, ng mga, lalo na ng cellphone. So, this key organizer is from the company called Orbit Key. And para na siya ngayong Swiss knife ang datingan ng mga susi ko. Ayan. Oh. And hindi pa siya maingay sa bag, hindi nag-jingle. And I really love the concept of this one. So, this is my second one from them. So, yung una, medyo naluma na and gas na yung leather. So, ngayon kumuha ako nito. It's in the Saffiano leather with gold hardware. And again, may initials on it. I don't know, pero sobrang hilig ko sa mga personalized stuff. Like, talagang mabebentahan mo ako pag something personalized yung binibenta mo. Mga 100%, mapapabili ako dyan. So, ayun ang aking hilig, mga personalized stuff. And ganun din yung case ng phone ko. My phone case is also from the Daily Edited with my, again, initials on it. And so, yeah, that is what's in my bag. And that's it for our 6th day of vlogging. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Good night.